G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're in Rottnest, probably one of the nicest places in Australia. We've got electric bikes and we're going to go on a massive adventure today.
This is our third time to the island, so I feel like we can show you a few of the good spots. But yes, first time riding the e-bikes, which we're very excited about because last time we were here we were exhausted, and I think our fitness is about 50% of where it was last time we were here.
We got big lithium batteries to keep us pumping all day, so it's a pretty big island. It's not big and it's not small, but there is a lot to do here. What Megan and I have learned is you can't do it all, and don't tire yourself out.
Yeah, but the main thing we're going to be doing today is snorkeling, because believe it or not, we have never been snorkeling here. And apparently it's some of the best in Australia. Yeah, so
the water is honestly crystal clear. So
wait till you see it.
Wait till you see it. Let's go.
A few inches later.
Oh my god. I was filming that.
Oh, there's another one.
We got road quokkas.
Oh my god.
Holy crap. There he is there. That's a baby. Look.
Oh, I'm sorry for scaring you, little guy, but you scared me more.
Oh my god. I can't believe I got that on film. Just as I was putting her up a gear, heading for about 30 kilometers an hour, a road quokka come out. You almost hit it, Megan.
I did, almost.
All right.
Poor little guy.
Let's continue. We have honestly nailed the timing. There's no wind, so we've decided to actually, because the e-bikes are so, we haven't been sponsored by the e-bike people as well.
But we're going to be raving about them today.
I'm going to rave on about it.
So good.
They are honestly so much better because we've got a lot more energy to go to more places we've just found.
So we've just come down to this one. I think it was called Bay of York, and it was down a really, really steep hill. Yeah. So I have a feeling last time we came, we probably saw that hill and we're like, nah, I'm not pedaling back up that. Yeah. And look at it, we've got the whole place to ourselves.
We literally have the whole beach to ourselves. It's awesome, eh?
So good.
Might get the snorkel gear on, mate.
There are like specific places that are known for the good snorkeling, but I'm not quite sure where they are. So I think we're just going to get the snorkels out at every place and just see what happens.
All right, Megan, show them what you've got.
So we got a new addition to the setup.
What is it?
Partly because our GoPro was absolutely wrecked by the FJ Bill. What was that, like sandblasting stuff?
I sandblasted the
back onto the screen. So
I sandblasted the GoPro.
So yeah, we got a little dome, which I have no idea.
What do we have? A dome?
A dome.
Gold. Yeah, I reckon it's going to be pretty good in that water.
Yeah, I don't know if there's going to be any fishies, but I'm excited to try this out and see how it goes.
Marks. Get set. Go. Alright, so we spent a couple of hours at that beach. Wouldn't recommend it for snorkeling. It's not as clear as we thought it was.
And there was jellyfish in there, and I'm so scared of jellyfish.
So a few jellyfish as well. We have a top secret beach here at Rottnest. Yes. It's so top secret we can't even find it.
We've forgotten where it is. I feel like since the last time we've been here, they've done a lot of revegetation, so it's making it difficult because there was like a clear path, but it was still secretive. But I have an idea of where it is. We stopped in at this one because I don't know, we thought it looked really cool from the road.
Here we go.
And oh my gosh, it's amazing. But this isn't our secret one, but this will do.
Yeah. We're still going to try and look for it.
Yeah, for sure.
There's so many, I think they're cray pots. There's cray pots everywhere. You probably can't see it on camera, but look at that blue water, mate.
That. Do you reckon we can get down there from here, or do we need to loop around?
We're going on an adventure. Right, Megan?
I can't get over the water height.
So good.
So good.
What are we doing?
So we are going to go, I think, grab a bite to eat. So we're going to head back into the settlement. Thank God, like, I know I keep harping on about them, but good thing we do have those bikes because we'd be stuffed by now already.
But they've only got 2 bars of battery left.
Yeah, but so yeah, we're gonna go grab something to eat and then we're gonna go check into our accommodation for the night, and then also we can charge up our e-bikes
And
the accommodation, hopefully.
we get an ocean view. Wait till you see it. It's a glamping tent, eh?
Yeah.
Glamping tent kind of thing, so I'm
Very
excited.
schmick.
We're probably just going to end up chilling there all day.
No, we're not. We're going snorkeling. We're going to a proper snorkeling spot after that as well. So
Yeah.
stay tuned.
Woohoo! We had to pull over because the main attraction has just made an appearance. This time he wasn't making a rogue appearance, but here it is, guys.
So cute.
The main attraction here, Mr. Quokka. How you going, mate? Look how cute they are. They're just so calm. And his brother's over here. Look, he's coming out.
Aww.
Hey! Hey, buddy. What are you doing? What are you doing, mate? He's coming closer. Hello. Hello. What are you doing, mate? You can't touch the
I
camera.
always wanted to try get the selfie, but I don't know if it's like, maybe you can just film me sitting next to him
I feel like
so I
we're
don't get too close to him.
getting in their personal space.
Yeah, this is close enough, I
That's
think.
close enough. Look at him.
Oh, hey little guy.
So cute.
Okay, should we get some food now?
Yeah, we'll go get some food, eh? See you later, mate. Oh, here he is. Off the road. Go back to the bush, mate. Are you ready, guys?
I'm ready.
Let's see what we've got ourselves into. Holy crap.
Oh, that looks fancy already.
Oh, yeah, there's this walk-in robe.
Really?
Look at the bathroom. Holy moly.
Whoa.
We got a bit excited, guys.
This
'cause
is very different to what we're used to.
we conquered the FJ build, so we
This is
treated
our reward.
ourselves.
I said I was going to get a manicure, so I never got my manicure, so let's just pretend this is that.
Oh, have a look at this. How do you open the door?
Maybe you need the key that fell on
Oh
the
no,
floor.
what the hell? Cut. Just needed a bit more strength. So it's meant to be an ocean front. Oh, here we go. Ocean front
Oh my
view.
gosh. Struggling with the doors today, buddy.
Oh, we've got a Weber. Oh, we're definitely
Ooh.
cooking something tonight.
Yeah, we should, hey?
So we got a half. We got a half of you.
And
Whoa.
she told us that the sun sets that way and then we get a sunrise that way.
Yeah.
So we've got a good view.
How good's this?
Very, very luxe.
It is. A bit too luxe for us.
Yeah, we shouldn't get used to this. We're going to live in a car soon.
Look at the wardrobe. This is a tent as well, by the way. Have you already said that?
No, well, we said it was glamping tent.
This is a tent. It's a bit cozy, and it's not hot in here, eh?
Oh, I was going to say it is a bit hot in here.
Oh, it's not. It's a bit hot, but it's not bad.
Yeah.
I am very impressed with this. We are going to eat our food,
Yep.
and we're going to freshen up, and then we're going to go snorkeling.
Yeah, to like the proper snorkeling
Yeah,
spots.
we're gonna go
Well,
proper
we're pretty
ones.
sure are the proper ones.
20 minutes later.
Jack? Excuse me. Are we going snorkeling? Or have you had too much sun? Oh my god. Okay, don't think we'll be going snorkeling. I see.
So tight.
Yeah, I'm knackered.
Did you go get dinner?
I did. I got some treats.
We need to put your battery on charge.
Oh yeah. I've only got 2 bars.
What did you get?
I got.
Guys, check out my sunburn.
Yeah, I was showing them.
It's like someone's painted me red. Look at that.
Bad.
It's terrible. Oh well.
My chest is bad, but it's not that bad.
As soon as I laid down.
I feel like this is not working with the camera.
Oh, what'd you get?
I got. I was going to show you them last. Oh, we're going to get them in the freezer there.
Cyclones are the best.
They're the best for this weather.
Lamb ribs, mate.
Oh, are they ribs?
Lamb, well, it says lamb rib. Oh no, lamb chops.
Chops.
Lamb chops, baby. Megan knows. Megan understood the assignment.
Yeah, it cost us as much as going to the hotel to eat, whatever. But oh well. Am I still wearing my helmet?
Yeah.
You good there?
Mate, I'm a king. I need a fork, not 2 knives. Oh, you could literally sit in this bed and watch the sunset.
I know, I was thinking, I got the wrong lens on now.
You got the big zoom lens on.
I'm not going to be able to, I'm going to be a bobblehead. It's like the most perfect evening to go and sit out there, but I just want to hide from the sun until it's completely down.
It killed us today. It's killed us.
Yeah, big mistake today.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're just going to, I guess, eat this in bed and maybe go down.
Watch the sunset,
watch
maybe.
The sun. Maybe just watch the colours. Just watch the colours. Yeah, I want to hide from the sun.
Otherwise, we'll see in the morning. We're going to go snorkeling. We're going to give it our best shot anyway. Good morning, guys. We just had a beautiful buffet breakfast, which we forgot we even had. So lucky we read the information book last night. 7:30 breakfast this morning. So we had a good sleep. What are we doing now?
We're going snorkeling, excuse me, on a bit of a time crunch though. So
yeah,
we are going to pedal our hearts out to get to the...
Well, not really. The motor's going to do all the work.
Well, not quite the opposite side of the island, but maybe like...
It's one of the most popular snorkeling bays.
Yeah, I think it is the most popular. Don't.
Look at Megan's sunburn.
I know, it's really bad.
Megan
Don't.
has sunburnt herself very bad.
You can talk. Your neck is always burnt. Look back on every single one of our videos. Your neck is... Actually, no, it's not. Because I colour corrected. I put green in all of our videos because Jack's neck is always so red. Just a little...
There you go, guys. This one's not going to be colour corrected. It's going to be all red.
No,
I don't even care.
I'm going to put extra green in this one.
Megan's going to try and hide hers. Yours is all over the place.
Yeah, because you can tell I tried to put sunscreen on. I just missed spots.
Classic. Anyway, we would love to enjoy this view some more, but it's time to go snorkeling. How'd you go, Megan?
Really good.
You look like a mermaid. You look like a beautiful mermaid.
You mean like a
So
one-legged donkey or something?
So elegant. A one-legged donkey. Classic.
No, it's really cool. The water's so nice.
We had it to ourselves for how long?
Like 3 minutes maybe?
And now there's 1, 2, 3, 4.
Still not bad though. This beach, one time we came past here and literally you couldn't even see sand, it was all towels.
Yeah.
Like that's how many people are usually down here. So definitely get down here early. What's it called again? Little Salmon
Bay. It's
so
actually
nice.
tiny. It's very small.
I think we've been spoiled by Exmouth being our only snorkeling experience.
Exmouth
so
is
far.
still my favourite.
Well, yeah, but still pretty good. Like lots of big fish and little fish
Yeah.
and
Oh,
really
it's,
nice.
it is 10, look at that, 10 past 11. We got to go. Bike's got to be
10
back.
past 11?
Sorry, 11 past 9. Bike's
Where
got
did you
to,
pull 10 past 11
the
out?
bikes have to be back at 9:30. It took us half an hour to get here.
Yeah, but we're coming from the resort. It's not as far.
Yeah.
But let's do it.
We're in America. Bikes returns.
It was a bit of a mad rush, but we made it.
Rottnest is over. Unfortunately, you could literally spend a week here.
Yeah.
There's so many private beaches, snorkeling, 5-star hotels, restaurants,
Even these little weird paddle things.
supboard hire, anything you can think of on an island. Pretty sad that we're leaving, but
We didn't get a chance to show you everything that we wanted
No.
to, but like we said, it's a bit
You
too
need-
stressful to try and do everything.
yeah, you need a whole week here.
Yeah, so there was one spot that I really, really love, which is Henrietta Rocks. If you're planning a trip here for yourself,
Yeah.
go for a little swim or a snorkel there. And then also Little Armstrong Bay is another really nice one. It's a little tiny cove. If you get there early enough, you can get it to yourself, and it's really, really nice.
Yeah, but guys, Rottnest is a 5 out of 5. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And we'll see you next episode. And we don't know what the next episode's going to be.
I think I have an idea of what it's
Megan
gonna
has an idea. We'll see you then. For anybody wondering, I won. And Megan actually just fell off.